Welcome back, my friends. I'm sure you want to attract money. You need to know what manifestation means and why and what is stopping you to attract money. Now, first of all, what is manifestation? There are many different definitions of manifestation. Now, you can manifest something from virtual to reality. That is called manifestation. For example, you thought of buying a car mentally in your mind, that virtually you own it first, and then it comes into reality. And how it does happen? Through thoughts, feelings and beliefs. Through thoughts, feeling and belief. Very, very important. That means that whatever you focus on is what you get. This is a law of attraction. This always happens. Many times this might have happened, you are looking for a book somewhere or some idea somewhere, and then you thought about it, then visualized about it, and suddenly you got it. Maybe it was a job. You are looking for a particular kind of job. You have a very specific type of job, and then you attract the job. If you have done this before and this kind of thing happened before, that you are already manifesting. Now, difference between that manifesting and money manifesting, little different. Now, let me explain to you later on why we are not able to manifest money most of the time, what are the reasons and how we block ourselves not manifesting the money. So my friend, important thing is you can use a lot of tools, you must be already knowing it, visualization, affirmations and thinking about it. Now when it comes to money, it is totally different than other kind of manifestation. Understand fully, listen carefully. What stops us? Now, most of the time when we talk about money, when you want to visualize and manifest money, that means somewhere in the past you are lacking money. Am I right? You are lacking money. You don't have a money. It is a stress. There is a lot of negativity involved to it because of lack of money. Now, what happens when you do law of attraction? When you do manifestation, any kind of method you do, this negative feeling, the negative stress comes into a block and that stops you in making money. You may be able to do a lot of other things manifesting, but it comes to money because of the previous negative programming, your belief about money, the past experience about the money, and whatever you heard about money when you were young become a mental block. And most of the time, people, they just want money. They don't know how much they want. So very specific step-by-step lessons here. You will learn how to manifest money easily, naturally and effortlessly. Yes, my friend, you might have seen a lot of people, they are attracting money very easily, they are making money very easily. There is a difference between your thinking and their focus and their circumstances in the past. So my friend, it is very, very important, to first let go of your negativity properly and then be positive. If you are not positive, if you are negative, you already lack of money and you only focus on all the time, whatever you do will never be able to attract money in your life or manifest money in your life. Or if at all you do it, it will be very, very slow. So my friend, remember this thing, this course, step-by-step course. I will not going to take a lot of theory. We give you step-by-step, follow those steps one by one and we start attracting more money in your life. At the end of this course, in the end, we will give you guided meditation which you can regularly practice and affirmations to attract more money in your life. So, really want to make money? See you on the next lesson. Thank you.